This is the Synology Diskstation interface, and I'm just going to log in real quick. I was really impressed with this Diskstation interface. I never had a device that had a graphical user interface like this with all these nice dashboards and whatnot. I've had this for about 2 years now, so there's probably much better GUIs out there. I haven't seen them yet, but at the time, this was amazing to have all, like, it's essentially like an operating system with all these options in it. So it's basically got its own app store. So if we go to, I think it's Package Center. I think that's what they call it. Okay, so I have on my disk station, it's got media server running, photo station, and video station. It allows me to stream videos throughout my house. I could even set it up so I could get to it through, like, if I'm not at my house. It's called DLNA, is it's like the keyword for streaming videos. So like on my Xbox, it automatically sees this, and like apps on my iPad also automatically see this, and then I could stream the videos through Apple TV or my Xbox or other on my laptop. Photo Station, there's a photo app, but it's called DS Photo. It's in the App Store, and it has like a nicer looking interface to look at your pictures. And then like this Video Station, I don't really use it too much, but it's kind of like that Plex server. But anyway, there's other apps out there. So look at this is the all category. And look at all these applications. Essentially, this disk station, I mean, it's a little box on my floor, a square, and it has everything that a server would have. And look, so we have directory services. So that's like, logins. You create logins, essentially like run your whole, if you want to run a network through this, you can do it with logins. DHCP server, DNS server, and then there's content management systems. Let's see what else we got. Media servers, even iTunes servers, Joomla, mail. You can have a mail server. I think there's a couple of mail servers on here. Mail server, mail station, media wiki, so you can set up your own wiki website. I haven't explored half of these. Open ERP, so I'm guessing this is like SAP or Oracle, but I guess it's the open version of it. And Perl, Photo Station, PHP, Plex Media Server. So there's like multiple ways to do the same thing on here. PHP MyAdmin, surveillance system station. There's like a backup system, a VPN server. So I suppose I should probably configure that so I could connect into this when I'm not at home. WordPress. So that's pretty neat. And then you can do it by categories. Multimedia, business, podcast generator. Look at that. It's got so many options. Security. Oh, antivirus. Really? Utilities. Radius server. So you can have remote access. It's just amazing. So I remember reading on Amazon when I bought the Synology Diskstation, it said, if you wonder why it costs so much money, you're not just buying the hardware, you're buying the software. And the software is pretty cool. And there's a control panel. Let's see what that looks like. So this control panel, it almost looks like, like Windows, or I mean, it's Linux, I'm assuming. And so you can configure all your stuff in there. What's this file station? I think this is where I set up all the partitions. Yeah. So I had various partitions, and some of these I could probably get rid of now. Do I want to run this? Yeah, sure, run. Allow access to the following application. Port 5000. Oh, look at that. So it brought in all my... Okay. So I could probably get rid of this now. I can't delete it. But so these are the directories set up on the Synology Diskstation. You can see current connections, recent logs. It's working well. It's been up for 198 straight days. I'm guessing the last time I unplugged it was when I remodeled my room, because it's on a UPS. Hey, what's up here? Notifications. Some updates already. Show all. What happens if I click that? Okay, just gotta find where I could update these apps. What's this say? Okay, let's go to Package Center, see if there's any updates. Okay, so here's an update. 0% downloading. But yeah, so if you were thinking of getting the Synology Diskstation, it's pretty good. It's way better than my previous NAS device, which was an iOmega personal cloud. Although that was even older and it was one of the first of its kind. This Synology, I suppose I could change the settings on it. It goes to sleep often, which I like, because it doesn't create all wear and tear on my hard drives. What does that say? For faster speed, we recommend uploading. What did that say? We recommend uploading photos and videos with the desktop tool photo station uploader. Whatever. Oh, and the help on this was great too. Anytime I needed to know how to do something, and along the way when I was setting this all up, there were fantastic instructions. In English, like it was easy to understand. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with my Diskstation. I don't think it's worth the amount of money it costs. In fact, if you were thinking of getting some kind of cloud storage, you get Pogo Plug for like $20. And it essentially puts whatever hard drive you plug into it onto the internet. But I have the Diskstation. It works fine for me. It's nice having, like a network attached storage that all my devices could get to. But anyway, I'll put a link in the description below if you're looking to get some kind of NAS storage. What's all this? Yeah, so nice. I set this up so long ago, I don't even remember what I did. Cloud service. Install DS Cloud. Set up your Diskstation and its applications to access Diskstation over the internet by configuring network settings, port forwarding rules, firewall, and DDNS services. I think I never did that just because it sounded like too much work, and I don't really know how to get into my Comcast router. When I used to have my own router, I did know, but now it's like a router and modem built into one. I have no idea how to get in. I'm sure I could just do a Google search and find out, but I'm pretty happy. Anyway, that's this. Thanks for watching. This is Technuba.